In a shocking twist that has left the 1000 LB sisters fandom reeling, Tammy Slaton has sparked intense speculation and concern following a cryptic social media post that hinted at a recent health scare allegedly caused by a dangerous food poisoning incident. The TLC star, who has been riding a wave of public admiration since her incredible weight loss and post-surgery transformation, is now at the center of swirling rumors that she may be facing a serious setback, one that could have life-threatening consequences. The alarming whispers began after Tammy shared a late-night Instagram story that featured what appeared to be a hospital wristband partially visible on her arm, along with the words, "Worst night of my life, never eating there again." While the post was quickly deleted, fan accounts had already captured screenshots, igniting a storm of theories across Reddit, Facebook groups, and Twitter threads dedicated to dissecting every detail of the 1000 LB sisters cast members' lives. Many fans immediately connected the dots, suspecting that Tammy might have been hospitalized due to food poisoning, a condition that can be particularly dangerous for someone with her medical history. Tammy has been open over the years about her struggles with obesity-related health complications, including oxygen dependency, limited mobility, and the long battle to qualify for bariatric surgery. Her journey reached a triumphant milestone last year when she underwent the surgery, shedding a dramatic amount of weight and reclaiming a significant portion of her independence. However, even with this incredible progress, her immune system and overall resilience remain areas of concern, making any sudden illness, especially something as unpredictable as food poisoning, a potentially serious threat. Fans have been quick to point out that post-bariatric patients can be more sensitive to certain foods, and improper food handling can lead to severe reactions. A former nurse in one of the fan groups explained that people who have undergone weight loss surgery often experience changes in their digestive systems, making it more difficult to fight off bacterial infections like Salmonella or E. coli. This context has only heightened the urgency in the online conversation, with many pleading for Tammy to confirm that she's okay. Tammy herself has been notably quiet since the cryptic post, only adding fuel to the rumors. Her TikTok account, usually a stream of light-hearted dances, makeup experiments, and updates on her life, has been silent for the past 48 hours, an unusual gap for the star who has cultivated a daily connectee. On with her followers. Some speculate that her silence is due to hospitalization, while others believe she may be recovering at home but choosing to keep details private. The mystery deepened when her sister Amy Slaton shared a seemingly unrelated photo of her children playing in the backyard, but fans noticed what they believe was a hospital curtain partially visible in the background. Though Amy made no mention of Tammy in the caption, the comment section was flooded with worried inquiries asking if Tammy was in the hospital and if the family needed prayers. Adding to the intrigue, one fan claimed to have spotted Tammy's wheelchair outside a local Kentucky medical facility late last night, although this report remains unverified. On forums, the debate rages between those who believe the incident is being overblown and others who argue that, given Tammy's health history, any gastrointestinal illness could spiral into a dangerous situation. This isn't the first time Tammy's health has been the subject of intense fan scrutiny. During earlier seasons of 1000 LB Sisters, her frequent hospitalizations due to pneumonia, carbon dioxide poisoning, and mobility issues often left viewers fearing the worst. Her triumphant post-surgery transformation shifted the narrative dramatically, with many praising her resilience and determination. But as one Reddit user put it, Tammy's journey has shown us she's a fighter, but fighters still need backup when you take a hit like this. The dangerous food poisoning theory gained further traction when a local Kentucky food review Facebook group lit up with posts warning about a recent outbreak linked to a buffet restaurant in Dixon, an area Tammy has been known to visit. While no direct connection to Tammy has been confirmed, the timing has raised eyebrows. Food poisoning outbreaks, especially those caused by bacteria like Listeria or norovirus, can have severe consequences for vulnerable individuals, leading to dehydration, sepsis, and even organ failure in extreme cases. Health experts commenting online have stressed the importance of prompt treatment, noting that hospitalization is often necessary to manage fluid loss and prevent complications. Meanwhile, Some fans have expressed frustration that the show's production team has remained silent on the matter. TLC has yet to issue any statement regarding Tammy's health, leaving viewers to piece together clues from social media breadcrumbs. In the absence of official updates, the fan community has rallied together, posting messages of support, prayer chains, and well wishes under the hashtag #PrayForTammy. A few have shared personal stories of battling food poisoning post-surgery, emphasizing that recovery can be slow and painful. One former bariatric patient recounted how a single meal at an undercooked seafood restaurant left her hospitalized for 2 weeks, underscoring the fragility of digestive health after such major surgery. The emotional investment in Tammy's well-being is not surprising. Since the show's debut, Tammy's larger-than-life personality, raw honesty, and visible struggles have drawn a dedicated audience who have followed every twist and turn of her journey. From fiery sibling arguments to tearful moments of vulnerability, Tammy has become more than just a reality TV character, she's a symbol of perseverance in the face of overwhelming odds. That's why the idea of her battling a dangerous illness now cuts so deeply for fans who have celebrated her recent wins. Tammy's last confirmed public sighting was at a local farmer's market, where she was reportedly in good spirits, sampling fresh produce and chatting with vendors. Witnesses say she appeared healthy and happy, making the sudden health scare all the more shocking. If the food poisoning rumors are true, it raises difficult questions about how quickly her condition may have deteriorated and whether underlying health factors played a role. The uncertainty has also reignited debates within the fandom about the pressures of public life for reality stars. Some argue that Tammy owes her fans transparency given the platform they've helped her build, while others insist that she deserves privacy, especially when facing a personal health crisis. As one commenter put it, she's not a headline, she's a human being who might be scared right now. Until Tammy or her family address the situation directly, speculation will undoubtedly continue. In the meantime, the fan community remains on high alert, refreshing feeds, checking hashtags, and hoping for a reassuring post from Tammy herself. Whether she's battling for her life in a hospital bed or resting at home under medical supervision, one thing is certain, the outpouring of concern proves just how deeply she's impacted those who have followed her story from the beginning. If the incident turns out to be less severe than feared, it will still serve as a sobering reminder of how quickly life can throw unexpected challenges, even for those who seem to be on an upward trajectory. For Tammy, whose health has always been a delicate balancing act, the threat posed by something as seemingly commonplace as food poisoning underscores the fragility of her recovery. And for her fans, it's a call to remember that the battle doesn't end with weight loss, it's an ongoing fight for health, safety, and peace of mind. As the hours stretch on without official confirmation, the question lingers in the minds of many, is Tammy Slaton battling for her life following a dangerous food poisoning incident? The world waits for an answer, united in hope that the fighter they've cheered on for years will once again pull through and emerge stronger on the other side. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.